Ayun, so hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is Lax Gaming again. So this is a recap for day 4 and day 5 15 days Ipon Challenge. And so nakamagkano na nga ba tayo after 5 days ng pag-iipon ng diamonds. So ito yung update guys. No, this is an update for 15 days Ipon Challenge. As you can see guys, meron na tayo ngayong 1,300 diamonds. So this is a day 4, no? July 1. Ito yung day 4 guys, may 1,300 diamonds na tayo, no? Day 4. Ito is from 1,153 nung day 3 to 1,300 diamonds day 4. And so medyo konti lang nung day 4 natin, no? Napaka-konti lang ng nabenta natin, na-loot natin yung mga tradable items. Yan, yung iba dyan loot ko sa boss raid, and yung iba is sa Battlefront. So this is day 3, day 4, and ito na ba yung sa day 5 natin. And sa day 5 naman medyo malaki-laki guys yung nakuha natin, no? Nakabenta tayo ng marami-rami. It's because nag-LOP tayo, 5 hours tayo sa LOP. So naka 14 pieces tayo ng Morion na tradable doon. And so July 2 na ngayon, no, day 5. Ayan, so this is a day 5 of 15 days Ipon Challenge. Titingnan natin dito guys kung makakailan nga ba tayo, no, na diamonds after 15 days ng pag-iipon, no, sa battle, sa field areas lang, no, na pinag-iip ka yan sa Masarita and sa LOP, no. Hindi kasama dito yung mga boss hunt, no. Hindi tayo nagbo-boss hunt, no, para makaloot ng mga tradable items. Lahat ng diamonds natin, no, supply is from AFKing, no, sa field monsters only. So doon lang to galing guys, no. Ayan, so as you can see guys, meron na tayo yung 1,674 diamonds. Day 4 natin from 1,300 diamonds. Then day 5 natin is 1,674. So medyo malaki-laki yung ating dagdag. Medyo malaki-laki yung ating naipon na diamond for day 5. Ayan, so that's all guys. This is only an update for day 4 and day 5. 15 days Ipon Challenge, no, meron na tayong 1,674 diamonds. So that's all for this video guys. Kita-kits sa ating susunod na video for day 6. Sana mas malaki na yung diamonds natin, or mabot man lang ng 2K na, no. So that's all guys. Thank you for watching.